Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Copywriter, and they're looking for a copywriter. It pays $30 on the low end to up to $70 an hour on the high end. We're an international team of extremely creative digital artists and graphic designers and art directors. We love everything about graphic design and illustration. It's our bread and butter. We're looking for a hero to help us create engaging content across platforms and projects. Your responsibilities will be proofread, write or create creative copy from scratch for projects including but not limited to website copy, email and e-commerce assets, promotional emails, blog and social media posts, PR kits, wholesale promotions and other marketing materials. Work closely with the content production team and cross-functional partners to lead concept, drive clarity, and present creative solutions for text. Be responsible for completing basic trademark and competitive searches, as well as understand the translations processes and trafficking translations for assigned copy projects. Attend all copy status meetings, packaging, visual, web, etc., and assist in managing copy deadlines and assignments. Proof and rewrite copy to ensure accuracy of the information, style, tone of voice, punctuation, spelling, and structure and organization. Correct and revise copy until approved and maintain a history of all copy revisions throughout project cycle. Update and maintain the internal copy guide and glossaries with up-to-date guidelines and rules. Must be able to prioritize while managing multiple projects simultaneously. Must always adhere to quality and deadlines in a fast-paced, team-oriented environment where innovation, creativity, and positive attitude, growth, passion, and fun are valued. Utilize a consistent, compelling, and brand-appropriate tone of voice throughout all communications. Develop familiarity with Copywriter Inc. products and industry trends to identify features and benefits and ensure the copy is thorough and accurate. Requirements: 2+ years of experience in copywriting and creative writing. Strong knowledge in graphic design, digital marketing, branding, illustration, and content marketing. Strong SEO skills. An extreme level of attention to detail, formatting, grammar, and typos. Strong analytical skills and the ability to work with large volumes of information and make your own creative decisions are a must. Being able to multitask and work on several projects simultaneously while delivering ready-to-use copy one time. Strong time management and communication skills. A strong sense of task ownership and accountability. Think above what's written in project briefs and task descriptions. Be willing to complete a written test assignment related to job requirements. Be available for at least 20 hours per week of work. It is part-time, it is contract basis, it pays $30 to $70 per hour. Benefits include flexible schedule and employee discount, school, evening shift, and self-determined schedule with some weekend availability. Experience: everything is preferred, not required, but it is content marketing for 2 years, copywriting for 2 years, SEO for 2 years, blogging for 2 years, and proofreading for 2 years. The shift availability: there's day shift and night shift, and it is completely remote. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position, I'll put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if this is not the one for you, don't worry. We have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. If you want to keep up and be one of the first in the know, all you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified first and foremost when we post the best remote work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.